Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. So, you're ready to turn your Google Forms into a professional document engine? Great choice. Before the magic happens, we need to get everything set up. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to install and activate Smart Form Publisher in under 60 seconds. First, open any Google form. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Smart Form Publisher. Look for the official icon from GW Add-ons. That's the one that packs all the power you need. Click Install, and then Continue. You'll be asked to choose your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Don't worry. These permissions are simply what allow the tool to generate documents and send emails on your behalf. Click Allow, and just like that, you're officially equipped. To activate it, go back to your form and click the puzzle piece icon at the top of the page. Select Smart Form Publisher and hit Get Started. The sidebar will appear on the right. This is your command center, where you'll link your templates and manage your workflows. You're all set. Your automation engine is now under the hood and ready to roar. In our next video, we'll show you how to design your very first template. See you there. Visit gwaddons.com to explore our full suite of productivity tools.